to Mobile Legends! 5 seconds till the enemy reaches the battlefield. Smash them! Deployed!
Yo, no, I ain't the type to give up. If I do something, then I do it till I get what I want. I turn a business out of nothing into something I love. I got a break, honestly, I'm not one to bluff. I flip a switch, never miss, man, I always stay up. Don't let them see you, bitch. Always on the train and stay tough. This life ahead of you ain't easy, it was built to be rough. But that's what makes it personality is tragedy, bro. So keep your head on your shoulders. Now we ain't out here moving rocks. We out here moving boulders. Now we ain't getting posted rocks. We out here making posters and we ain't got nothing to hide. We move forward like soldiers. You better wake up for the face up. Or you'll play up. Don't wake up to the game, bro. Fuck the game up. Change up to your range stuff. To your greatness. Famous for the way up. Play the game, bro.
An enemy has been slain! I will not you to slay an enemy! Good game! 3. Launch attack! Ally has been slain. Killing spree!
Come on! Let's enjoy the game!
Ult is ready. Launch attack! Away! Back off! Attack! Okay! Double kill!
Come on! Let's enjoy the game!
Yo, so where is all the positivity? I feel like we
Launch
always say
attack,
everything is
okay.
killing me. Thoughts
Oh,
feel
it's
quick,
not ready.
causing different possibilities. Negative thoughts will cause different disabilities. So do
Launch
better.
attack!
You got no time, work
Understood.
harder than ever. Don't ever let them tell you that you can't ever say never.
Push
Then turn your mind into the
Understood.
truest to go getter.
Launch attack! Understood. Backup. Shut down. Request backup. Monster kill. Understood. Launch attack. Understood. Ult is not ready. Ayo terbang bersama. Ult is not ready. Ally has been slain. Good game. Slain. Double kill. Initiate retreat. Slain.
Come on! Let's enjoy the game!
Launch attack. Okay. Okay. Ult is not ready.
Yo,
Ult is
I
ready.
ain't the type to give up. If I do something, then I do it till I get what I want. I turn a business out of nothing into something I love. I got a poker face, so honestly, I'm not one to bluff. I flip the switch, never miss, man, I always stay up. Don't let them see you, bitch. Always have the play and stay tough. This life ahead of you ain't easy, it was built to be rough. But that's what makes a personality is tragedy, bro.
Double kill.
Come on! Let's enjoy the game!
We out here moving rocks, we out here moving boulders. Now we ain't getting posted rocks, we out here making posters and we ain't got nothing to hide. We move forward like soldiers, you better wake up for the face up or you'll play up. Don't
Not
wake
ready.
up to the game, bro. Fuck the game up, change up, rearrange stuff to your greatness. Famous for the way up, play the game, bro.
Killing spree. Wiped out.
Come on! Let's enjoy the game!
Ult is ready. Shotgun. You have slain an enemy.
Come on! Let's enjoy the game!
Ult is not ready.
Hurt me in name, I'm always working to change, but she's still looking the same. I keep on building a dynasty while the haters be trying me, but they hate from inside. You see, hate themselves in society, so I let it speak quietly. Want my actions speak quiet, see they be hiding in privacy with the screen or the irony. You ain't somebody trying to be whatever they would like to be. We all feel the anxiety when they go wrong.
Killing spree.
Yeah, so where is all the positivity? I feel like we always hate on everything, it's killing me. Thoughts feel quick, causing different possibilities. Negative thoughts
Come
will cause
on!
different
Let's enjoy the
disabilities.
game!
Better, work hard under pressure. If you got no time, work smarter than
Ult is
ever.
not ready.
Don't ever let them tell you that you can never say never. They turn your mind into the truest to go-getters. Never stop, get it.
Attack the Lord. Ult is not ready.
Myself a promise, I won't quit.
Balas dendam telah membukakanku.
Ult is ready.
Hang in there.
Launch attack. Adalah hasil yang bebas. Mega kill. Initiate retreat. Launch attack. Mega kill. Double kill. Triple kill. Launch attack. Good game.
Dekatnya kematian.
Good game.
Come on! Let's enjoy the game!
Balas dendam